Okay, so to use the Forest app, you go to the website forestapp.cc and you're going to install the Chrome extension. Obviously, this is quite easy. Click Add to Chrome. You can allow all of its permissions, and then it will add. It will always show up in the extension thing up here. You click the little puzzle piece and click Forest. How to set it up, though, is you have to do a few things. You have to go to Settings, and then it will allow you to control kind of two modes. The block list mode and allow list mode are the two main things. Is this loading? Okay, here we go. So you can set block list mode. So if you still need to do a lot of internet research or something, but you know you're going to be distracted by games, you can add stuff to your block list. And when you're using this mode, it won't let you go there. So you can add various things like these things to complete these. So like I said, games or ESPN or whatever, whatever is going to distract you. And so then when you use this, so when we launch Forest app, I confirm that I am in block list mode and I start it. And now I am in block list mode. And so you'll see, because I blocked these two websites, I won't be able to go to them. So if I go to games.com, I don't even know if this website exists, but you will get there, it will load. And then because you are in block list mode, it won't actually let you do anything. If this is going to work. Okay. Oops, never mind. Because that one reroutes. Sorry. So we'll go to ESPN. I know that one will be blocked because it has the correct URL. So if I go to ESPN, again, it will load, and then you'll see that I can't actually do anything on this website. I can kind of scroll, but I can't see anything because Forest has blocked it until I eventually end up giving up. But this is a good reminder of how to do that. Then what I think the better way to actually use Forest is by allow list, meaning that during a planting session, I can only visit the following websites. So I can add the websites that I will only be able to use. So if I'm working on an English assignment or something like that, right, I can only use Google Classroom and I can only use Google Docs, right? And I can only use Google, right? And so when I go into allow list, these are the only ones that'll work. So I can't go to any other websites except these in allow list mode. So let's go ahead and enable it and confirm that it works. Yes, I know I killed my tree. So we'll have to switch up here to allow list mode. So again, it's only going to allow websites that I am using. And so you'll see that even this one, it will block. So you'll see I can navigate around Google Classroom. I can go back and forth to the stream. I can work in Google Docs. That will all work. However, when I go to like Spotify, for example, right, it won't let me use that. Okay, it won't let me use the extensions either. Right, it won't let me use ESPN. Even if I go to like the New York Times, because that's not on my allow list, right? It will not let me go here. So again, it will kind of load, but then as soon as I try to do something, the app will block me from using it until I eventually give up. And so, like I said, I think allow list mode is really the best, and that's kind of the best and easiest way to use the Forest app.